Good morning. Today we're on the Key Stage 2 playground and I'm ready to slide down into Key Stage 1. Are you ready? Woo! That was fun. Now we're on the Key Stage 1 playground and we're going to go straight into assembly. Enjoy!
Students, parents and teachers. We welcome our new student, Paige Norton. Today's merits go to Year 1J, Jassel M, for putting a lot of effort into everything he does. Year 2F, Louise Kalimba, working hard in all areas and fantastic handwriting. Year 3L, Namangolwa Samanova, for continued hard work and an excellent newspaper. Year 40, Kumbo Mutantika, a well-presented geography project on Seesaw. And a French merit goes to Aiden Edwards in reception honeysuckle. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. Hope you're all safe and well. Today I will be saying the Falcon merits. So the first one I have goes to Abdullah in ELC for a good retelling and recall of stories. Well done, Abdullah. The next one I have goes to Annabella Randy for creative work on seesaw slides. Well done, good work. I have another one for Ane in Year 5S for a great confidence mask and consistent work on Google Classroom. Well done, Ane. Now I have another one for Lara Hoskins that is working very conscientiously. Oh my gosh, thank you. That is very kind of you. Thank you. You're very welcome. Let's move on. Okay, so the next one I have goes to Natasha Malenga in Year 6M for an excellent approach on her work. And last but not least, I have a full class merit, which is really well done, guys. And this goes to Reception Gardenia for very good speaking skills in French. Well done. I even struggle with French. So that's all for the Falcon merits. Hope you're all well and have a good week ahead of us, and go Falcon for the sports day. Bye.
Hello everyone, I hope you all keeping safe.
Hi.
These are the merits from Hawk. Bush Babies, Tanaka for working hard and submitting all work on Seesaw. Reception Gardenia, Dishani Sharma for working so hard on numeracy during the last 2 weeks. 1M Maya Bird completing all her work and trying very hard to work independently. 2A Ariana Musa beautifully presented work even at home. Cheyenne Wilson for doing her online work diligently and keeping a high standard of her work. Rami Assad, great participation on Seesaw. Edris Botha for writing a fantastic rap poem titled Half Puff Half. Divet Botha for attaching all his work, stunning artwork as well as excellent AR reading and also completing all digital work. Cora Wadley, outstanding effort in French. Good job, everyone.
Good morning, children. How are you? Today I'm going to be talking to you about reading. I just wanted to share some books that I'm reading at the moment. Firstly, I'm looking at Mythos by Stephen Fry. It's all about Greek mythology. I know the Year 5s do it, and it's really, really exciting. Love the stories. The other book I'm reading is Tabitha's favourite book, and it's The Ugly Five by Julia Donaldson. Love singing the songs, but I don't think I've got the tune right. I'll have to get Mr. Fire to help me. Another great book. So I'm going to share the data with you on Mayon. You've been looking at Mayon for the last 2 weeks, and the data is absolutely fantastic. Well done to Reception. In the last 2 weeks, you've read 346 books, and that's a total of 31 hours spent. Well done. Year 1, you've read 506 books, total of 57 7 hours spent reading. Again, that's absolutely fantastic. Remember, they get harder. The books get harder as you go up, so it takes more time to read them. Year 2, 722 books, 110 hours spent reading. Amazing. Year 3, 571 books, 116 hours spent reading. Year 4, 726 books, 144 hours reading. It's fantastic, all this data. Year 5, 862 books. That's nearly 300 hours spent reading Year 5. You are doing amazing. And Year 6, 406 books, total of 178 hours spent reading. And this is just in the last 2 weeks. So I want to say, well done. You're doing fantastic. Keep up this fantastic reading. It opens up the world to us. And take care. Keep safe. Thank you.
This week's pen license certificate is awarded to Sienna Ellis from 4T. Well done, Sienna, for following writing guidelines and maintaining your good handwriting skills.
So the pen licenses in Year 4M will be going to Zach Reeve Tucker and Chisambwe Kapia. Congratulations, you have not only showed fantastic editing, but good use of capital letters and consistent letter sizes. Well done.
Good day, children. This is Mrs. Opperman, and I'm the bearer of good news. The cupcakes this week goes to Year 6. Well done, and enjoy them when we see each other again. Thank you.
Well done, Year 6. You deserve those cupcakes with the work you've been doing with Google Classroom, Mayan Reading, and special mention to Alicia for your Darwin story. Keep up the good work. Well done to Year 5s. Beautiful pots that we can see on the screen now. Lovely, lovely artwork. Keep up the hard work. I think we've got complete difference amongst all of you Year 5 students. Well done. In Year 4, Annabella, Ayana and Keisha, special mention to you for your rap poems, and to all of Year 4s for working using Google Slides. I've really enjoyed looking at your poetry. Keep up the good work. In Year 3, well done to Year 3 Jacaranda for embracing Seesaw, literacy and Seesaw. Some super work to the right of the screen, and on the left, Year 3 Lilacs for your fantastic newspaper articles. Keep up the good work. In Year 2, Angelos is clearly taking after his mommy by doing a science experiment on moldy bread. And to Cora, who's blessing the neighborhood with her beautiful tunes using her recorder. I'm sure all of you parents are enjoying that lovely sound of recorders. And I'm just going to leave you to listen to Dimitri, who's been practicing piano. And I think you've got to check out the little baby sitting on the bed. Super cute.
Good morning, everyone. I hope you're keeping safe. And today in this assembly, I am going to play Old MacDonald and Mary Had a Little Lamb. So, that's all for today's assembly. Thank you very much. See you next time.
Well done, Dimitri. Fantastic playing there. Now on to Year 1. We've also got some little actors and actresses. Well done, Maya and Woody, for your work performed on Seesaw this last week. And moving into reception, a warm welcome to Paige, who joined us this week, new to Baobab. Welcome to the Norton family, to Hussein and Katasha and Nyla for your fantastic work with spelling and story writing. Keep up the good work. Now, for next week, we've got a new challenge, a photo challenge. This has started in library with our year ones and year twos who've had to create something using some form of construction. So you can take a picture of yourself designing something, a piece of Lego, it could be a den like Zoe in the picture there, anything that you can think of. So year ones and year twos, you've had the video about the most magnificent thing and story, so you can refer back to this. So have a go and send your photograph to the photograph competition challenge, and don't forget to put your entries in by next Thursday at 2 o'clock. This brings us to the end of assembly. I hope you have a fantastic weekend and great week ahead. Take care, everyone.